Youth of GSB ನೇರ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಪಳೈತ ಸಚಿ 68th ಗಣೇಶೋತ್ಸವ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಮ್ಗಿಲೊಟ್ಟು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಮುಂಬೈ ಸಚಿ ತಂಗಿಲೊಟ್ಟಮಿ ಅತುಲ್ಲೋಯ.
I can say that is the difficult bandobast for our police department. It's like our annual examination. If we do this bandobast well, then we have cleared our 1 year of our service. That is what is the understanding, and we have briefed all our men about the security of devotees, and we are taking utmost care. We have deployed adequate bandobast. We have been taking care of anti-terror measures also, and our BDDS teams and other teams are very much active, and we are sure with God's backing we'll do this festival in a peaceful manner, and we wish everyone best luck and safety and good health on behalf of Lord Ganesha. Thank you.
It's really a nice thing to see, sir. The department is really doing a very good job. Hats off to you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much, and all the best and best wishes for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.